What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. And today I'm recording something that I should have done 2 weeks ago. Yeah, but have a surprise. I don't know if it's a surprise. Some of y'all know, but kind of got myself my car. Isn't that nice? So what this is right here is here's my hand. What this thing right here is a 1991 Ford Escort GT, and it is my pride and joy. And it's a fun car, I guess. Sorry guys, I can't film, but for the most part, it's pretty dang clean, ish. It's had some mud. Holy crap! I need to figure out how to film again, but mud and all that, but can't really wash it right now because well, if you can't tell, there's mud and snow on the ground, and I know that if I if I wash it now, it's just gonna get muddy and salty and all that again. But let's go right into it. So right here, let's look at the interior. It's pretty nice. Got floor mats, because that's what you need. Got the original floor mats. Needs vacuum. Of course, has to be standard. And yeah, I don't know what to really say. We got some stickers for adding horsepower. Yeah, pretty basic. There is one thing though. I wanted to film this, but it's been so freaking cold. Still is. I need to. Don't want to ruin my battery. I don't know what I'm saying right now, but I kind of put a muffler on. It's pretty nice. I gotta get it fixed to where it sits out, like I can get it on the camera, like right here. And yeah, it's pretty dang loud now. Lost about 20 pounds of, just plain old metal. I'll show you the old muffler. Pretty sure I've showed the new one that I got in a previous video. If I haven't, then I'm sorry. But this is the old muffler, kind of retarded. Just kept it so I can get the hangers off of it. If I can film this, holy frick! Still got the rubber things over here. Yeah, I mean, pretty basic. Look at that thing. But yeah, so it's pretty basic. Don't know what to really say. Yeah. Also got new front tires on it, because the ones that were, the rear ones that were on it before were trash. So I got the back ones replaced with those ones and put the ones that were on the front over there on over here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. So let's give her a quick start up. And yeah. Ugh. Pretty basic. Hey guys, it's only like a 1991 Ford Escort, but this is the car. This is the car that I want to do a lot of stuff with. I don't know how to explain it, but let's give her a good start up. So yeah, it's a little obnoxious inside. I mean, I want it to be obnoxious outside. Excuse me. Windshield wipers are still on, and I'm gonna get that fixed because it drones so bad in here. It's so bad. So I'm gonna get that fixed soon. Get it welded permanently. I don't know if I will. Yeah, I'm gonna get it welded permanently outside. Should quiet it up inside. Take out a bunch of rattling. Yeah. So go back here. Yeah, it's pretty dang loud. Let's look at the engine bay, because it's sick. It's awesome. Let me shut my door. I don't even know how to get this gosh dang thing open. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put it down. Hold on. Yeet. No tripod light. No tripod light. Yeet. Alright, guys. And here she is. Look at that. Look at that. Ready? That's my camera's out, but yep, got my air box thing right here. Yep, got that thing. It's fuel injected shit, which means it's fast. DOHC. I know what that means. Yeah. Dumb over. Yeah. Fuel overhead can, 16,000. It's pretty good. It does what it needs to. Got a EverStart battery because we can forever start every time. Yeah. Right now I'm gonna put Rain-X on it. But I just wanted to give a quick review. It sounds like a freaking tractor. I don't even know if you can hear me right now. Sounds like a freaking tractor. That's right. GT right there. I can't even get it on the camera because I suck. GT, that's Scorch. First on race day. You know, all the typical stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna shut it off because it doesn't need to be running, wasting my gas. Just hold on. Ah! That's right. Yep, she's on. But someday, if I can actually figure out how to edit and make videos that are actually high quality, which hopefully will be soon, I will definitely. I'm trying pointing at all these things. I'll definitely have this in here a lot more because this is my own car. I'll have my own money, pay for insurance. I'll get into the details like why it's like this. It's actually not that noticeable on camera. Yeah, see that? I'll show you all the things, what's been done to it, and why I haven't had it for 3 years, basically. And yeah, but thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like it. If you haven't subscribed and you want to, well, you shouldn't just want to, you should just subscribe. Subscribe. And I'll catch you guys later.